Are you saying cheese?
No.
Okay.
Doing makeup.
Doing makeup? Yep, you're doing your makeup with mommy. Hi guys, Maggie here. Today I have a helper, my daughter Serenity. She wants to do her makeup too. She has her own little play makeup. So if you hear weird noises, it's her. Or she might like pop in and out because she's super excited. She might...
What?
Careful. Oh, I love you. Anyway. Anyway.
Betty.
What?
Betty.
Pretty?
You pretty.
Oh, thank you. You're pretty.
It's my ace.
Yeah, you can do yours.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Sit down. Anyway, I'm going to be going in with the Morphe Brow Cream in shade Mocha. Mind you, need to remember, I am not, I repeat, not the greatest at doing my eyebrows. So this will be interesting. Dude.
Doing my makeup. Doing my makeup.
Yeah, you're doing your makeup. Alright, so that is one brow done. I'm going to quickly do the other brow off camera and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back and that's pretty much as good as my eyebrows are going to get. I don't mess with them too much because I'm not that good at it and I don't really need a lot of help in the eyebrow department. For today's look, I'm going to be using two palettes. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions and I'm going to be using the BH Cosmetics Take Me to Brazil. I love this palette. It's so colorful and fun. Honestly, one of my favorites. And you know, this is my tried and true. This is my favorite go-to daily palette. It's just so pretty. It's so simple. Love it. So I'm gonna start with the Mauve Obsessions palette. And I am first going to go in with this middle shade. I'm gonna just go like that. Okay. I just hit pan on that shade. Can tell it's one of my favorites. I'm gonna really pack that in on the outer corner area and on the crease and just a little bit above my crease. After we're done with that middle shade, we're gonna go in with the bottom. So it's the left, if you're looking at it, the bottom corner shade. It's the darkest shade in the palette. And we're gonna put it on the outer corner again. And I'm using the same brush on the outer corner a little bit and then in the crease, but below the first shade. What are you doing? Next, I'm gonna take a little tiny packer brush and go in with this. It's like not white. It looks white on the camera, but it's not white. It's like a cream white. I'm gonna take that and we're gonna really pack it in all over the lid. Alright, so we're done with the Huda Beauty Mauve Obsessions palette. Now we're gonna go in with the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil, and we are gonna go in with a pink shade. I think I'm gonna go in with this really bright pink right here. I think that, oh, I touched it. I forget how pigmented these shadows are because I don't use this palette a lot, but I do remember there being quite a bit of fallout. So we're gonna go along my lash line. I'm gonna take it in to the inner corner. And hope that this turns out how I want it to. I look insane. When I thought of this, it looked better. But isn't that how it always goes? Hopefully, with eyeliner, mascara, and the rest of my face done, it'll save it. I'm gonna go in with eyeliner. I am using the Betty Boop by Ipsy. My friend gave this to me, and ever since she gave it to me, I've been obsessed with it. And all I want to do is use it. So we're gonna wing it out. Oh, that's a intense wing. And then drag it in. And we're just gonna fill it in. I'm not done with my eyeliner yet, but it is starting to look better. So there's hope. There's hope. Well, still not great, but we're not done yet. I gotta be hopeful. I still don't like it, but I was expecting it to click and it didn't. That's depressing. It's okay. So we're gonna do mascara in C. ASMR. Okay, I'm done. Okay, let's see if this helps any. Do you see her face? Alright, so with the mascara, it helped a little bit. Not a lot. But... oh, baby. You want to sit right here? Can you sit down, please? So I usually hate doing my bottom lashes because they are pretty much non-existent. So it is really hard for me. So now with eyeliner and mascara, I definitely like this look a lot more. I feel like they always say eyeliner and mascara brings a look together, and you know what? I say that too because it's kind of true. I'm gonna go on with foundation. I am using the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation in shade 230N. I have not used this foundation, but I am so excited to use it. So, oh, there we go, there we go. I don't know. Oh, this looks like it might be too dark, but I guess we will see. Ooh, looks nice. Ooh. Actually, it's a little dark. The shade works a lot better than my Dose of Colors one did. which I'm still continuing to use even though it's too dark. I am just using my concealer and setting powder to make an illusion, even more of an illusion. Oh, this is actually probably way too dark. I look like I got a bad spray tan on my face. I am using the Dose of Colors Meet Your Hue foundation in shade 05 Fair. So since this foundation is also too dark, I am going to be using a decent amount of this to try and fix. This time it's not my mistake. The mistake. One of my favorite parts about this makeup sponge in specific is that it has like, it's shaped kind of funny, but I love this side for under my eye because it's smaller, so it's a little bit easier to handle and really get close to my eye. And the further away part, I will use the other side. So it's looking better. So I'm using the Morphe Bake and Set setting powder in the shade Translucent. Like that. Like that. I'm gonna let that, I should have used this tiny little baby side. I will, to add a little bit more where I feel like did not get touched by it. I am going to put setting powder down here, but I'm going to use my bronzer first. I'm going in with my favorite Too Faced Milk Chocolate bronzer. Which it looks like isn't even gonna show. Oh, it's showing up a little bit. I was gonna say maybe I chose too dark of a foundation for it. Well, I didn't choose. I feel like the only time I get the wrong items is when I actually ask for help because I have no idea. I'm still kind of pretty new to makeup. I do this really just for fun, and it's my coping mechanism for my depression. It's how I am healing. Yes, I am still using this big ass brush to do my nose contour. It is what it is. Okay, now that I did my contour, I'm going to take my Beauty Blender again, and I am going to go along my jawline. This really just it's going to lighten it, and it kind of just I feel like anyway it makes the line from your bronzer just a little more, I like it snatches it a little more. Stop playing with that, please. Personally, I do not like to let my bake set for that long. So we're gonna go ahead. What are you doing, baby? And wipe it away. Ooh, I look so bright. See, now you can still tell that it doesn't match. Are you blowing the powder away? But that's okay, it looks better than what it did. I'm kind of liking it. Maybe I'll just go get a tan. For blush, I'm going to be using the Lovecraft Beauty blush trio. I am going to be using this one. It's called Altheta, however you say it. It's a really faint, pretty blush. Hi, baby. I'm going to be using my Ofra highlighter in shade Star Island. I'm almost out of it. I have hit pan and I'm really sad about it. Look at it. It's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Just, I'm actually really enjoying this makeup look. I did not expect it to turn out as good as it did. I was kind of nervous, but okay, I like it. Alright, now for lips, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in shade Rose and Shine. It's a pinky color. There we have it. This look is done, and I'm honestly kind of surprised at how it turned out, and I'm really proud of myself. This is not something I would typically do. I wanted to try something different, not something so crazy and out of the world that I wouldn't want to leave the house in, but something that was outside of my comfort zone, which is definitely this. Usually, I know this top part, like excluding the bright pink underneath, is something I would do daily, but adding the bright pink really puts it kind of outside of my comfort zone, because I know people are gonna look at it and be like, oh, interesting, or oh, ugh, why would you do that, or oh, that's so pretty, I love it, da 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 da. Alright guys, that's all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit that subscribe button and the like button, and I will see you next week. Bye guys. Say bye. Seeing the Anastasia Beverly